Imagine starting your day with the wrong breakfast and feeling tired before noon. Now imagine flipping that routine and unlocking unstoppable energy, sharper focus, and a body that feels ready to win the day. This could be the simple change that transforms your mornings forever. Hey, everyone! Are you tired of eating the same dull breakfast every single morning? Do you wake up feeling low on energy and struggle to stay focused as the day begins? You're definitely not alone. So many people start their mornings on autopilot, grabbing whatever is quick without realizing how much it impacts their energy and productivity. In today's video, we're diving into 12 incredibly simple yet powerful breakfast ideas that can completely change how you feel throughout the day. From nutrient-packed smoothies to satisfying protein-rich meals, there's something here for every lifestyle, including plant-based and gluten-free options. Get ready to upgrade your mornings and take control of your day with confidence and energy. Let's begin with Greek yogurt and understand why it stands out compared to regular yogurt. Think of it as a more concentrated and powerful version. During its preparation, excess liquid is removed, leaving behind a thicker texture and a much higher protein content. It also contains less sugar and fewer carbohydrates, which means it helps you avoid that sudden drop in energy later in the morning. Starting your day with a protein-rich food like this gives your body exactly what it needs to wake up and function properly. Another great advantage is the presence of probiotics, which support a healthy digestive system. And the best part is how easy it is to customize. Add fresh fruits, sprinkle some nuts, or drizzle a little natural sweetener, and you've got a breakfast that's both delicious and nourishing. Next comes oatmeal, a classic that continues to prove its value. Oats are rich in complex carbohydrates, which means they release energy slowly over time instead of giving you a quick spike followed by a crash. This steady flow of energy keeps you active and focused throughout the morning. Oatmeal is also packed with fiber, helping your digestive system stay balanced and efficient. For those with busy mornings, overnight oats are a perfect solution. Simply prepare them the night before by mixing oats with milk or yogurt. Add your favorite toppings and leave them in the fridge. By morning, your breakfast is ready without any effort, making your routine smoother and stress-free. Eggs are another incredible option that deserve a place in your morning routine. They are rich in high-quality protein and loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin D and choline, which supports brain function. Despite common misconceptions, moderate egg consumption is generally safe and can be part of a balanced diet. What makes eggs even better is how easy they are to prepare. Whether you prefer them scrambled, boiled, or as an omelet, they can be ready within minutes. Adding vegetables or a bit of cheese can enhance both the flavor and nutritional value, making it a satisfying way to start your day. Chia seed pudding might sound fancy, but it's surprisingly simple to prepare. When chia seeds are soaked in milk or a plant-based alternative, they absorb the liquid and form a smooth, pudding-like texture. These tiny seeds are rich in fiber and protein, helping you stay full for longer while supporting digestion. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which benefit both heart and brain health. With consistent consumption, they can even help maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Whole wheat toast is another upgrade from the usual white bread option. It contains more fiber and complex carbohydrates, providing longer-lasting energy. Instead of a quick rise and fall in blood sugar, it supports a steady level that keeps you feeling active. It also contributes to overall well-being when included regularly. The real fun comes with toppings. Whether you choose creamy avocado, nut butter, or other nutritious spreads, you can easily turn a simple slice of toast into a powerful breakfast. Cottage cheese is often overlooked, but it offers an impressive amount of protein in each serving. This makes it a great choice for keeping you full and supporting muscle health. It's also lower in fat and calories compared to many other cheeses, making it a lighter yet satisfying option. You can enjoy it on its own or combine it with fruits, nuts, or even savory toppings to create a balanced meal that fits your taste. Now that we've reached the halfway point, take a moment to think about your current breakfast habits. Small changes can lead to big results. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to stay connected for more ideas that can improve your daily routine. Let's continue exploring more options that can elevate your mornings. Sweet potatoes might not be the first thing that comes to mind for breakfast, but they are incredibly nutritious. They are rich in vitamins that support vision and immunity while also providing fiber for better digestion. Their natural composition helps maintain stable energy levels without sudden spikes. Whether baked, mashed, or roasted, they offer a comforting and energizing start to your day. Nuts and nut butter are another excellent addition to your morning. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients, they provide lasting energy that keeps you going strong. They also support heart health and overall wellness. Spreading nut butter on toast or adding nuts to your breakfast bowl can instantly boost both flavor and nutrition. Protein shakes are perfect for those who need a quick and convenient option. They provide essential nutrients and help support muscle recovery and growth. Blending fruits or vegetables into your shake can enhance both taste and nutritional value. While they are convenient, they work best when combined with whole foods to create a balanced routine. Berries are small but powerful. Rich in antioxidants, they help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Including them in your breakfast can also improve focus and mental clarity, helping you stay sharp throughout the day. Whether mixed into yogurt, blended into smoothies, or eaten on their own, they are a simple yet effective addition. Black tea is another great way to start your morning. It provides a gentle energy boost while helping you stay calm and focused. Unlike stronger stimulants, it offers a balanced effect that supports both alertness and relaxation. With added benefits for heart health and immunity, it becomes more than just a morning drink. Finally, salmon might sound unusual for breakfast, but it's incredibly beneficial. It's rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and reduce inflammation. Preparing it ahead of time or using smoked salmon makes it easy to include in your morning meal. Pair it with toast or combine it with other ingredients for a nutritious and satisfying start. So there you have it, a complete list of simple yet powerful breakfast ideas that can transform your mornings. Breakfast is more than just a meal. It's the foundation of your entire day. When you choose the right foods, you give your body the energy and focus it needs to perform at its best. Making small adjustments to your routine can lead to noticeable improvements in how you feel every single day. Your mornings shape your life more than you realize. Choose wisely, fuel your body right, and watch how your energy, focus, and confidence rise every single day. Start tomorrow with purpose and turn every morning into a powerful beginning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more life-changing content.